This video shows the breadboard circuit for a small handheld laser light show that I'm working on. In this demonstration, I am using a battery pack with an on-off switch, the microcontroller, 6 buttons to control the speed of the motors, 2 that control the transistor for the first motor, 2 that control a transistor for the second, and 2 for the third. The transistors are only used as switches to control the speed of the motors. Diodes are put across the motors to control the EMF or electromagnetic feedback. 5x5 millimeter surface plated mirrors and a tiny 4 millimeter by 9 millimeter laser will be used to create the laser light show. When the laser hits the mirror at a slight angle, it reflects as a circle. As the motor speeds up or slows down, the circle spins faster or slower respectively. Now, when the beam gets reflected off 2 or more motors, it causes a spirograph effect. Changing the speed of the motors will create different effects. The idea is to place the circuit on a 2" by 2" 2-layer PCB with the buttons on one side and the motors and laser on the other. The laser and motors will be arranged so the laser reflects off all 3 motors and out of the front of the unit. Hopefully, if all goes well, this will find its way into a nice little case the size of a cell phone or smaller. Size limit will be eventually determined by the batteries. Current draw from the motors will drain the batteries pretty quick, so I think watch batteries are out of the question. I'll probably have to stick with AAA's for this project. And that concludes my demonstration of my little breadboard and circuit. Hopefully I'll get the code cleaned up soon and kind of go over the code with you to show you what I mean by my bit shift pulse width modulator. I will post more videos or pictures as soon as I make more progress.